From our previous class, we know how to write a C program by using Turbo C++. And for this, we know how to start Turbo C++. Once we will start our Turbo C++, always we will get this screen. Then from this, we have to click on File, New. Then from this, we know that this is the area where we have to type our program. And according to that, we have typed the first 3 lines, whatever we have done, like this, that is void main opening bracket and closing bracket. Then we have compiled our program by using Alt F9. So we are getting success message. Once we will get this success message, then we have to press Ctrl F9 to run our program. But we don't have any knowledge how to display the first message whatever we have. For that, in today's class, we will discuss how to write our first program, that is hello world. And in order to write this hello world, we have to use a function known as your printf. I will explain what is printf. So first of all, we have to know what is printf. So every programming language is having their own styles of writing. So for that, if you want to write C program, then you have to go for print. It is a single word, printf. This function is used to display message on the output screen. So this function is used to display message on the output screen. Now you can ask me a question, what is the meaning of output screen? The black and white screen, whatever we have, that is known as your output screen. So what to display? We just want to display a message. So now if you want to go for that, then what is the way or what is the syntax of writing this printf? So in order to use printf, we have to write printf within double quote. We have to provide a message, whatever we like. Whatever we like, we have to provide a message. So if I will go for an example, then in this example, I just want to use to display hello world. So this is printf. We just want to write printf in small. It is a single word, printf. So what is the meaning of a function? What is the meaning of this function? If any word is associated with an opening bracket and closing bracket, that is known as your function. If any word associated with an opening bracket and a closing bracket, then that is known as your function. So according to that concept, printf is our function. So printf within double quote, we have to provide a message known as your hello world. So whatever format we are going to write in double quote, it exactly display the same format. If you are writing in capital letters, it will display in capital. If you are using small letters, then it will display in small. Now the question is where to write this hello world. So you have to write this hello world by using this format, void main opening bracket. Below that you can write printf, then hello world. Then you have to close your bracket. So now this much where you have to write, this much you have to write on your blue color screen. This much you have to write on your blue color screen. Once you have written on the blue color screen, then you have to compile the program to confirm whether your program is correct or wrong. So let me come to blue color screen. So if you are not getting the full screen, then press Alt and enter. Along with that, we are not getting the blue color screen in full, so that's why press F5. So now here you have to type printf hello world. So after making every change, whatever may be small, this one, putting a semicolon, erasing a letter or anything, always you have to compile Alt F9. So once you will compile the program, you will get an error. So it is always an important part for a programmer to know the type of error whatever it is going to provide. So press enter key. So you will find the error as available that function printf should have a prototype. So as I said, printf is a function and the proof is that. So it is indicating that function printf should have a prototype. So what is the meaning of prototype, that we will discuss later on, but what is the why this error is there, that we have to know. So in order to correct this error, press an enter key or click on this blue color screen. So if you want to use printf within a program, then always you have to associate this line hash include stdio.h. This line you have to include. Now compile the program. So you will get a success message. Once you will get success message, then run the program by using Control F9, CTRL F9. So already the program is available on your black and white screen or output screen. So in order to jump from blue color screen to black and white screen, you have to press Alt F5. You have to press Alt F5. So now we are getting the hello world. So this is the process how your first program will be displayed on your screen. Now the question is, why to use stdio.h, why to use hash include? That is a part of discussion. So from this we can conclude here that if we want to use your program, then for every printf, if you want to use, then you are bound to apply hash include less than sign std in small io in small dot h. So h is an extension for header file. So what is header file, again we will discuss. So from the second class, it is not possible for a student or person to know everything in detail, so that's why it needs some time. So what is stdio? It is standard input and output. So we can say that it is stdio.h is standard input output header file. So we will discuss. So in a reverse way, we can say that if we want to use printf, then we are bound to write hash include stdio.h. If you want to appear a board exam, then you are bound to take hall ticket. So similarly, if you want to use printf, then hash include stdio.h is compulsory for the time being. That is the knowledge you have to acquire. Or in other way, we can say that how printf will work, that is already written under stdio. So this is the way how you have to write your first program. So just pause the video, go to your C++, Turbo C++, open your blue color screen and repeat the steps whatever we have done. So once you will complete the program and get hello world success message, then go for the next program whatever I am going to provide here. So you have to write a program. So you have to do this question: write a program to display your name. Write a program to display your name. This one is the first question, and the second question is write a program to display your address in the form of city, state and pin code. This is the format which you have to provide. So just try these two programs, and this is your second class. So try to get the knowledge how to use printf, how to write hello world. So once we will cover this, then we will go to the next topic. Thank you.